Hey guys, welcome back to g3fashion.com, and today's video is on sari draping. So we're going to show you how you can drape a Kanchipuram sari for a wedding wear or into a normal nivi sari drape with perfect pleats. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have more videos on sari draping. We have linked it in the description for you to find out, and without further ado, let's move on to the video.
So to start draping, this is a basic tuck. Take your Kanjivaram sari, and instead that we will start draping it from your right side. What I'm going to do is start from the middle and stop in the middle like this, because you don't want your sari to be shorter. So I'm going to stop in the center. Now grab the palla section like this on the widthwise section and make pleats. Now remember, you don't want to go with very thin pleats, you don't want to go with very full pleats or thick pleats, and use your hands to crease it as you go downwards like this. You can see I've kept the border, the gold border, as a full, and I'm going to safety pin it at intervals to keep the lines or the pleats aligned properly like this, and then just roll them on your right shoulder like this. And again, start pleating the rest of the sari with your hand like this. Remember to crease it up. You want a nice and neat crisp look over here. And now pull out the inner border like this and drape it tightly around your bust area like this and waist area. Again, take it from that side and bring it back to the front. Make sure that the border is straight and pin it down here, which is around 7 to 8 inches below your waistline, with your petticoat like this. And now you'll have a loop in front, which is your portion for your lower skirt. Drape pleats and start making pleats. Once your pleats are made, you can use a safety pin to hold them straight in a line, and remember again to use your hands to keep creasing them and tuck them in your center waistline like this. And that's it. Now you just have to adjust your pleats, pin it up on the left shoulder, and adjust the drape or the pleats in front by using your hands again to crease them up. Or you can also use an iron or a flat iron to keep these pleats straight and crisp enough. Remember, you want all those pleats to show, so I'm just adjusting each and every pleat that needs to be shown when you're wearing a traditional Kanjipuram sari, and even the pleats of your lower skirt drape. And that's how you can wear a nice Kanjipuram silk sari perfectly without an iron, and that's how you can pleat it. You have to use your hands to keep pleating it or crisping it properly so the pleats stay even. You can even wear a kamarband if you like for a traditional or a wedding wear look. We've just started out with a choker and some earrings and a flat bun.
So guys, that's all from us on how you can drape a Kanchipuram silk sari in a nivi style with perfect pleats. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a like, and if you still haven't subscribed to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more videos on sari draping. You can find more collection of saris on g3fashion.com, or you can also use G3 Plus video shopping service, which is a service you can go with a video call directly from our store in Surat. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again next time.